Hey loves, today we're going to do a little bit of a Revolution haul slash chocolate vault unboxing. I didn't really get a ton in this haul. It's just like hair dye, hair stuff, and then the chocolate vault, but I knew you guys wanted to see this, so I decided to film this video for you. Before we jump in, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and I have a ton of Revolution videos, so I'll leave that playlist down below as well as some links down below if you want to shop through Revolution. I do have affiliate links. That would be great if you could use them. If not, it's cool. No pressure. But if you want to, that'd be great. That way they know that I sent you. All right, let's get into it. So first of all, this was cute. This came in the box. It's the first time I've seen one of these. It's personalized. It has my name on it. And it has my order on the inside along with like an ad for the concealer and all of this stuff. How cute is this? I don't know, just an extra little thing. It has their collabs on their skincare, their conceal and define, and like my list of stuff that I ordered. So let me show you the hair dye really quick. I'm not gonna swatch it because it's hair dye, but thankfully they wrapped it all up like this instead of just throwing it in the box like last time, because the last time I ordered some of their hair dye, it was gone because the box busted open and they just rolled on out. So thank you to whoever packed this up for actually putting it in bubble wrap, because I do really want to try these. So as you guys can tell, I'm like attempting silver. I need to fix my roots. I have some definite yellow. When I toned them, it helped quite a bit, but I need to really retone them. I might just lighten them a little bit because I have such dark blonde spots in my hair that I need to just try and even it out. So I don't know what I'm doing. So I got myself some options, okay? So the first thing is the Rainbow Tones Silver Angels. This is their actual hair dye. This lasts, I think, 3 to 6 weeks. Does it say? 8 to 12 washes. 8 to 12 washes, which is probably 3 to 6 weeks for me. Or longer, because your girl washes her hair about once a week. I use a lot of dry shampoo to keep my color from fading. But yeah, so this one is Silver Angel. And then I grabbed also the Silver Galaxy, which is the darker silver. I'm guessing it's kind of, yeah, super purpley toned, which I'm hoping will help with my situation. I might just pop this on my roots and see if that helps, because it is supposed to be a deeper silver slash gray. So I'm thinking maybe I'll use these guys on my hair. I also grabbed 2 of the rainbow shots. I have Frosted Ice Blonde, and I do really like it. I do think it makes a difference in toning my hair. It's supposed to be color, shampoo, and conditioner in one. These are supposed to last, I think, 2 shampoos. 1 to 3 washes. 1 to 3 washes. So these are just toning shampoos slash conditioners slash color depositors. I think it just depends how long you leave it on your hair. So I have Silver Angel again and Frosted Ice Blonde. I do recommend these because I have tried this one. So I'm assuming this one's good too. But we'll see. I don't know. I just need to fix these yellow tones somehow. I wasn't really planning to go silver, so my hair is not properly lightened. It's really difficult to get your hair the white blonde that you need for silver. So I'm hoping that by using maybe this on my roots, it'll help, or I'm just going to have to lighten them slightly. All right. I don't know why I'm telling you my hair life story right now, but let's get on to unboxing the chocolate vault. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so big. Wow, look how big this is. I told myself I didn't need this, but then they went half off. It happened. So it was such a good deal. Okay, I have half the palettes in here though, so that's kind of a bummer. I am going to not swatch those, but I'll swatch some of the ones that are brand new, that are exclusive to this box. So let's get this off of here. So it comes with the Salted Caramel palette, the Macaron Palette, Lemon Drizzle palette, Strawberry Cheesecake Pigment palette, S'mores Pigment palette, Cranberries and Chocolate Pigment palette, Mini Chocolate Strawberry Face palette, Mini Praline Highlighter palette, Praline Lip Gloss, Chocolate Cherry Lip Gloss, and Salted Caramel Lip Gloss. I'm going to try not to drop these on the floor because I would. This is what it looks like. Girl. So there are 3 new chocolate palettes in here, 3 that are not new, that are just repeat releases, and then there are 2 face palettes that are new, and I think all the lip glosses are new as well. So let's take a peek. So this guy, they already released separately, so if you want to get it separately, you can, or you can get it in this chocolate vault. This is what this one looks like inside. This is the cranberries and chocolate. I do believe that they are going to release them all separately, but this is what this one looks like. I feel like this is going to be a really good everyday palette for me personally. Let me swatch some of these for you because there's just some nice warm shades, some nice reds. I love me some berry shades. You know that if you know me. Some quick swatches. My hands are so dry, guys, from this winter. Every winter my hands get so dry. I can't even. Ooh, girl. I hope that gives you a feel. I swatched almost all of them. 18 shades in each palette. Yeah, look at those. One more look at the inside of that guy for you guys. You can kind of get a look. Again, this is totally up my alley. Ooh, she cute. Look at her. Wow. This looks beautiful. My nails are a wreck. Story of my life. Kind of reminds me of the new Nudes palette, which I have on my eyes right now from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Let me swatch some of these, girl. I'm excited. Here are some swatches from the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. Look at that shimmer up there. Wow. So pretty. I did not think I was going to enjoy this one near as much as I am. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. I feel like these chocolate palettes are just getting better and better and better and better. Okay, so that again is the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. This is adorable. Adorable. Let's look at the S'mores palette. I'm really excited for this one. My friend Laura, she's just started a YouTube channel too, guys. She was telling me that this was her favorite palette out of the collection, so I'm really excited to use this one. You can see it's very everyday, very neutral, but lots of warm shades. It looks really pretty. These are so smooth. But I feel like they have been taking the care and attention on each of these. It wasn't just like completely thrown together. I think that their team really did a good job at creating these palettes and curating the palettes, and they're swatching really good. This one actually smells pretty good when you get to the smell. It's taking me a minute. Hi, Luna. Here are some of the swatches of this palette right here. It's hard to see that bottom one because it's a cream shade, but these look really pretty. I think this is going to be a really great everyday palette. Hopefully they will release these separately so you don't have to buy the whole vault if you don't want to, but you might be in my situation where you have every other one, so you already have these three, but I'll show you really quick. I'm not going to swatch them because there are other videos on my channel and I don't want to swatch them because I will give them as gifts or something like that, or put them in a giveaway. Since I already own them, why would I swatch? I don't want to ruin them. So this guy is the Salted Caramel palette. This guy came out forever ago. There's definitely a video on my channel if you want a more in-depth look at this palette, but this is one of the older ones. It's a great palette. It's one of my favorites actually. So I'll be happy to pass this along to a friend or family member for Christmas. And then I just picked up this one. I really like this palette as well. This is the Lemon Drizzle. So it is the new format. It's got so many fun shades. It kind of reminds me of the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. Just the vibe of the yellows and like the just summer shades is what I think of. Of course, you can adapt this to any time of year. You can wear whatever you want, whenever you want. You don't have to follow a fall palette or a winter palette or a summer palette. Just do you. I don't feel like there are any rules in makeup. So this is a really good one. This one is definitely a different one. I love this shade over here. But yeah, this is a really good one. So this guy comes in there. There's also a video where I haul and swatch some of these. And then this guy is the Macaron Palette. So cute. This one's really fun. If you are feeling the blues and the teals, this will be a great one for you. This one smells good too. They all have some sort of a scent. Oh yeah, again, I swatched this in that video as well. I'll try and link all of the corresponding videos down below. In the very least, you'll see them like in the thumbnail, but I will try and leave it linked down below so you can see me actually swatch this palette. Ooh, so we are going to swatch this guy. This is a Praline palette. I know there's a bigger one that came in the heart box, so I don't know if these are the same shades from that guy or not, but this is like a twofer. My hand is so stained now from all the swatches, and these makeup wipes are not the best. So this looks really cute. I'm excited to use that highlight. It looks really nice and pigmented and bright. And this is the chocolate strawberry face palette. Let's see what this guy looks like. These are so cute. So I feel like that other one was kind of a blush and a highlight. This one is a bronzer and a blush. So we're gonna swatch these. I love these little chocolate palettes so much. Ooh, that blush is pretty. So I think this one is really cute. I like the bronzer and the blush. I can't wait to try it. And now let's swatch these lip glosses. They smell real good, real good. This just says, oh, this is Salted Caramel, which is this guy right here. Decent amount of pigment on that. That's a really pretty color. It's just kind of a pinky brownie soft nude. We have Praline. Ooh, girl, that's probably my favorite. It's right there. This guy is Chocolate Cherry. Oh, I should have smelled the other one. This one definitely smells like cherry. It's this one right here, just a deeper shade. So it looks streaky because it is darker, so it's going to look that way. But it would be so nice to top this on top of any sort of berry shade or red shade that you have. Let me smell Praline. Praline smells fruity, which is weird. I thought it was going to smell more like baked goods like Salted Caramel does. But there are those. All right, love, so that is everything. I think that this is a great deal if you can get this guy on sale. I know it's been on some sort of sale at every point. I'll link it down below, and I'm sure, I mean, maybe it'll go on sale after Christmas. I'm not sure. I don't know, but it's still a good deal for how many items you get in here. You get 6 chocolate palettes, 2 chocolate face palettes, and 3 lip glosses. I'm not sure if the pink heart, the big heart, is in stock, but I really love that one too. I got that one, and I also got the highlighter set. I think those 3 are like the best things out of all the holiday kits. I have another video on all the rest of the holiday kits that I received, so I have a bunch of videos for you. I will leave it down below. I'm rambling, but this is so cool. And honestly, for the like collector factor of this giant chocolate bar, I just like needed it because I need to like find a place to put it because it's so cute, girl. Anyway, loves, I think that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want more Revolution videos. Please leave a comment down below and let me know which of these chocolate palettes you want a tutorial on next. I've been doing kind of a chocolate series. It's been so overwhelming because they're always releasing new ones, but I do have an orange chocolate palette video and a violet chocolate palette video. So I've been trying to do like just one at a time. I do a tutorial, I do all the swatches. I am going to film a top 5 favorite chocolate palettes, which will include all the swatches. I was going to film one on all of the chocolate palettes, but there's so many, you guys. There's so many. I don't even know how. I don't even know where to start. I don't know. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. I know that you want more Revolution videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Excuse me. Let's start again. That's what she said. Must have the lid down. Jeez Louises. This is the most unstable. I need to put this right where you're at, thanks. Sorry. But here is some. If they release this separately and you don't want the whole. She's so cute. So cute. So these, what? It's kind of got that pink with gold iridescent. I'm just gonna let Luna do her thing, so please just don't. What are you doing? What are you doing? For this year of, what am I saying?